Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: a modern phone and a browser. First, save your chosen PNG or SVG to files or photos and note your 3 hex colors. Once done, open the browser and create a simple data URL template: HTML container, image tag, and basic CSS for size and rounded corners. Make sure to keep sizes consistent, e.g., 512 times 512, so widgets look uniform. This gets you started quickly without installing anything extra. Now you'll assemble the visual. Write a compact HTML snippet, a wrapper div, inline CSS for width/height, rounded corners, shadows, and your gradient using the hex colors. Embed the image either as a base64 data URI or a direct URL. Base64 keeps everything local. Once the code renders in the browser, test scale and alignment. Then save that page as a bookmark or a home screen web clip, so the home screen can display. Finish by converting the page into a home screen icon or shortcut. Use the browser's share menu to add to home screen or create a built-in shortcut that opens the data URL. Place and resize it among other items so it reads like a widget. If the image looks off, re-encode at correct size and check your CSS for fixed pixels, clear cache, and reload. If problems persist, simplify the layout to isolate the issue, and then rebuild the decorative details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.